Hello again. So this video is going to show you how to submit an assignment in case you need that reminder or if you just don't remember how at all. So right now I am on the home page once you've logged on to the course. And you're going to have two options here. You can either go to modules, and that's where you're going to see our layout for the week. And what will happen is normally I will have your readings and then your assignment right underneath. There, it's a little piece of paper with a pencil on it as its icon. But right now, the way I'm going to show you how to do this is I'm going to go to assignments. And I'm going to go down here. I created this example assignment to help with this. I'm going to click on what would be my assignment. Okay, so here you see it's my example assignment. It was created so that I could make a video using it. Okay, so as an example, what you guys will do is normally you're going to get here, there will be instructions, and you're going to open a file. The same way that you have opened the readings for the week, you can simply hit the preview icon and it will open up the document for you. Here I just attached our syllabus from the beginning of the year. And you can look at that document without opening Adobe. But for our course's purposes right now, you're going to actually click it and open the Word document. And see, open with Word. If you can't tell, I'm doing a lot of things on my computer right now. As you can see here, this document has opened up for you, but to be able to type into the document, you're going to need to hit this Enable Editing button up here on the yellow banner. Once you've hit that, it now has opened up a new copy for you. But if you see, it says read only right here. To be able to type into this document, you're going to have to go to File. This is the same way we've done it in class 2. Save as. And then you'll hit OneDrive and type in the name that you want this document to have so that when you go into your OneDrive, you can find it. If you are using Word on a computer at home and you don't have your OneDrive synced yet, you can always save it to this PC as long as you know where to find it. That's the key. Okay, so now I'm going to go back. Okay, so theoretically, we'll pretend like you typed into this document. You're going to make sure that you close it. If you don't close it, this won't work. Okay, so we're going to close the document once we have saved it and we're done. And I'm going to click back on our window here. And where you see this big red submit button, you're going to click it. You'll go down here to browse. And you're going to go find wherever you left it. So probably in this PC, in Documents, or on your OneDrive. And just for your purposes today, I'm going to add a PDF real fast. This is Shakespearean terms. I'll hit open. Now once you see here the name of it's right there. Okay, so you're going to hit submit assignment. If you want to add a comment for me to let me know if something, say, was weird on your document or you had to add something, you can always here and type it. What I would say is send comment to instructor only. That means that I'm going to be the one that reads them. If you do send comment to the whole group, then every student is going to get a comment from you and they're not going to know why. So you want to send comment to instructor only and type comment here. You obviously can say hello to me there if you would like to. And you're just going to hit submit assignment. For our purposes today, I'm going to cancel that. Okay. And once you've done that, this red button will change to resubmit assignment. That's how you know that you have submitted it. And up here as well on the top, it will show you where you've added the assignment. Again, if you have any questions, please send me a message in inbox or on the Remind app. And I will talk to you guys again soon.